Hello everyone, good afternoon. Here's another POV. I wanted to make a quick vlog about last night, about the gym and the outdoors. Because last night, after I did my first jog outdoor, I've come to a few conclusions. So first, at the gym, it's very convenient. At the gym, I don't get cold. There's climate control. Okay? Unlike outdoors, last night it was windy, it was really cold. So at the gym, I sweat more, okay? But I prefer that than breathing in chilly air, cold air. Yes, that's one. And it's convenient too because I can jump on the weights before or after the treadmill. I could do elliptical, I could go on the rowing machine, I could do spinning or cycling, yes. Outdoors, I'm pretty much limited to warm-ups. Another point is hydration. At the gym, I can always drink whenever I want, whenever I need to. Last night I had outdoors. Last night I had to wait. Last night I had to wait until I made my first loop so I could reach my car and get my water bottle. But I think that's fine. I just need better water management. Yes. However, at the gym I could go to the toilet whenever, which I can't do outside. Yeah. But I noticed something different. I think the big difference is last night I did 5 kilometers easily. Unlike indoor, at the gym, every kilometer is heavy. It's slow. It felt long basically, but outside, especially with a friend, excuse me, close the door please, JP, thank you. So outside last night, the time just flew by, really, and I could hear the waves because I jog near the river, near the sea. I could hear the waves, I could feel and hear nature, the trees, and I could say hi to other runners, to other joggers. So that's another big point. So I'd like to finish this POV by saying what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna stick to my gym routine, but I will also do a jogging outdoor once a week, and of course my hiking once a week too. And the rest of the days, rest and gym. Yes. So I would like to say something that I saw online. If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. Boom! Alright, see you!